Welcome back to another episode of What's Trending on Etsy. This is the place to be every single week to get inspiration for your listing and find some keywords that have huge sales potential. If you're getting value from these videos every single week, be sure to share your wins down below in the comments so that we can celebrate with you. And if you see others sharing their wins, be sure to chime in and cheer them on. And if you haven't already, go ahead and sign up for my 7-day free Etsy bootcamp that is going to walk you through the process of setting up your very own successful print-on-demand business using Etsy, Printify, and Sales Samurai for our research tool. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this week's trends. We have this America Sunflower shirt, and this could be great for Memorial Day or the 4th of July, Independence. And this is a really cute design with the sunflower incorporated with the American flag. So let's pop over to Sales Samurai. And so right now this has a search volume of 29, and I'm sure as we get closer to the 4th of July and Independence Day, this search volume will most likely go up. And the cool thing is the competition is only 2,786. So definitely a good option for getting a head start on the 4th of July or Independence Day. And as always, when you scroll down, you can see some additional keyword suggestions, and you can look at the competition as well as the search volume. If we look at the tags over here, we do see that there is a lot of searches for 4th of July shirt and 4th of July. Those have over 26,000 searches. And then down at the bottom, you can see some of the top listings using these keywords and see all of the different variations that sellers are doing on Etsy. And next up, we have this Equality Hurts No One shirt, and I believe Pride Month is coming up in June. And so this one has a lot of different colors in it and some very simple text. So Equality Hurts No One shirt has a search volume of a whopping 468 and an Etsy competition of only 380. That is a really good low competition, high search volume keyword right there. And this is your friendly reminder to always check trademarks for any words or phrases that you're putting on t-shirts. And so I'm using Merch Informer, and this gives trademark alerts. So you can type your phrase in here, hit save, and then it will check every 24 hours. And if anything changes, it will alert you. So that can really give you peace of mind. And this tool uses Trademarkia to check for you, and it's going to all be done on autopilot. However, if you want to do it for free, you can always go to trademarkia.com and do it yourself. Down below in the description, I will have a coupon code for you. And next up, we have an end of the school year shirt for teachers, and this is super cute with that really colorful rainbow. It says, "I love you all, class dismissed." So very simple text and graphics on here. And this has a search volume of 19 and a competition of only 245. Great low competition keyword for the teacher niche. And if you look down here, you can see that the search volume for last day of school is 3,600. Teacher shirt, teacher gift, school shirt, end of school year, tons of really great keywords here. And of course, at the bottom, you can take a look and see variations that other Etsy sellers are doing. And to see more details of this top one here, we can just slide over to the side where it says details and click on the eye. And so we can see all of the keywords that they are using in their title there. We can scroll down to the bottom and check all of their tags. And let's go ahead and click through to Etsy. And so this is pretty cool because they are also giving the option for tie-dye. And Printify does have some really good tie-dye shirts on their platform as well. And this one is also a very simple text, right? We love to keep it simple. Next up, we have these baseball numbers shirt, and All things baseball related for moms are super popular right now. And also at the time of the recording of this video, we are a little over 2 weeks away from Mother's Day. And I know while you're always told to be planned in advance, 8 weeks or more to have your Mother's Day listings up, I can tell you I am currently listing Mother's Day stuff right now, and some of my brand new listings that I'm putting up the next day are starting to pop off 10 sales per day consistently 2 weeks before Mother's Day. So I would say keep getting listings up for Mother's Day and keywording them as so. And this is one that you can do with that as well. So let's pop over to Sales Samurai and take a look at the stats. So we have baseball numbers shirt, search volume of 29, and super low competition with 878. And down at the bottom, we can see a baseball shirt with a search volume of 1,000, mom baseball shirt, search volume of 200, baseball t-shirts, search volume of 400. Some of these are more competitive, but I would still definitely get those in the title. And then we have some really incredible tags over here. Baseball lover shirt, baseball shirt, baseball numbers. And one thing that I think not a lot of people take advantage of when it comes to data for their listings is down here at the right hand bottom corner, it tells you the average price points for those products. So the minimum price point for these shirts is $10.86. The maximum is $37.99, and the average is $19.49 with an average shipping cost of $6.82. Doing free shipping always keeps it simple. So then if you were doing free shipping, then you would just tack that shipping price on to the cost of the item, and then that would give you the total average price point. So the average price point would be about $26. And this is about $1 or $2 more than what I typically recommend for the Bella Canvas t-shirts, but since these are custom with the personalized numbers for the baseball mom, then you could definitely charge a little bit more for those shirts. So I hope this video helped you get pumped and excited about your listing this week. This is what I do with all of my free time. I spend it looking at trends and keywords and what's selling. So I'm happy to share a very small portion of my research with you, and I hope it's helping you a ton. So make it an amazing day, and I'll see you back next week.